I took on a sweetie. I nearly died and went to hell. What are you laughing at? I'm gonna fucking die. I'm serious? What are you laughing at? What are you crying for?
Clint, why aren't you laughing?
What are you crying for? I nearly choked and died. For fuck's sake. What are you doing up there? Leave my fair special friend alone.
Are you referring to yourself?
Yes. Me and Mandy go a long way back.
Randy's not even that old.
Yes. What matter? What are you crying for?
What the fuck? I got myself into.
What are you crying for? Are you crying because I nearly died?
Yeah, yeah.
No? You should be. I nearly died and you're crying